Hi friends, it's Laressa. Welcome to this Notion tour of my active listings and transaction management dashboard made for Notion by yours truly. I am so excited to share this with you as I am so proud of what I have created, and I honestly truly think that if you add this to your real estate business and use it in conjunction with your CRM of choice, you are going to become that real estate agent, the go-to real estate agent, the GOAT real estate agent, the greatest of all time real estate agent, because you are going to make sure that every single client that you have is going to have a 5-star quality service, because you know the ins and out of every single deal. So here is the dashboard I have created. I personally love toggles because this makes everything easy to see. So this is my task. I make sure that I need to do what I need to do for every client. Important dates to look at, so 7 days out for closing dates. And this is a full calendar for listing expirations of your listings, all closing dates, contingency dates, buyer due diligence stuff. And then down here, we have a section for referrals that are given out, referrals received, like that. And then we have a section for my listings. So in this case, these are active on-market listings. If I open up this client, Buzz Lightyear, this is his client profile. And we can see down here all of the other notes, upcoming tasks that are needed to be executed to make sure that this client has the best real estate experience with you. Let's go back into this demo dashboard here. Now, again, down here, we have active seller transactions and active buyer transactions. Now, as real estate agents, we wear multiple hats. So that means we have multiple deals that are going to be in different phases of the real estate transactions. And we need to make sure that we, again, are on top of every single deal. Now, here we have Mary Poppins. She is going to be closing. She's pending payout. But we can see down here that her final sales price was $680,000. And we are going to make net GCI $16,000 because I have created all the formulas and inputs. That way you just put in your split, your brokerage split, any deductions made, and boom, net GCI. Now my favorite part of this board is if we go into here, the client transaction database, we can see all of our clients here. We have 20 clients in here, but let's see if we can go here. We can see all of our buyers profile, all of our sellers profile, referrals in, referrals out. Now, if we go over to here, 2024, we can see here that out of the 20 client deals that we had, 14 have closed. And if we scroll all the way down here, we can see the final sales price. This is going to be your total sales volume of that year. Boom. Then we can also see it for the gross commission here, and next over we have net gross commission income as well, so minus any other deductions made or the splits from your brokerage and such. Now again, in this section here, I've created different formulas to calculate referral fees paid out and referral fees paid in. So referrals that you have given to other people to make sure that you get paid on those referral deals. And you can see down here, this is the sum of each category here, just to make things fun and interesting, to make sure that you are able to hit your goals. So that, my friends, in a nutshell, is my entire active listings and transaction management database dashboard. I hope you come in here and take a look at everything, because again, I'm very proud of this, and I truly think that if you add this to your real estate business, you're going to be that real estate agent. So with that said, this is available on my Etsy shop, so definitely give it a look, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. So I'll see you there.